Woodcrete, invented in the 1930s, remains a popular material that is still in use and development today. While newer variants like electrically ozonated wood are now available, the classic formula consists of Portland cement, sawdust, wood chips, and various chemical additives like sodium silicate. This composition results in several key advantages. First, it is lightweight, with a cubic meter of woodcrete weighing about half as much as the same volume of brick. Second, it is easy to cut, making it versatile for various applications. Third, its porous structure allows for easier plastering. However, it does have some drawbacks, such as its susceptibility to strong winds. Despite these limitations, its ongoing use in both commercial and private projects attests to its lasting quality and effectiveness. In Austria, experts have adopted Naturi technology, which involves constructing vertical timber houses without the need for glue, insulation, or chemical treatments. This approach offers several benefits. The heaviest component of the kit weighs just 15 kilograms, making it ideal for construction sites where heavy machinery cannot be easily used. Additionally, the vertical wall elements have a load capacity 8 times greater than their horizontal counterparts. The construction is also so stable that no formwork systems are required during the finishing process. The first Naturi house was built in the Austrian Alps in 2000, and today, this innovative technology is successfully utilized across Germany, France, Italy, and other European countries. A pair of architects designed the immersed tiny house, which, despite its compact 6 square meter size, can comfortably accommodate 4 people. One of its key features is its quick and easy assembly. A team of 4 can put it together in just 2 hours, without needing any specialized tools or construction skills. If they can connect plywood elements, they can handle the task. Immerse cleverly blends the functionality of a guest house with that of a lounge area. The roof and walls are transparent, offering occupants stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The feature house, located in the Italian Alps, makes this design choice ideal for those seeking privacy. Additionally, curtains can be used to provide more seclusion when needed. By 2030, the UN projects that the global population will reach about 8.5 billion people. At the same time, a G20 report suggests that approximately 40% of the world population may lack their own living space. Given these projections, technologies for quick house construction are becoming increasingly vital. One such solution comes from the Belgian company Side Timber, which specializes in providing solid wooden blocks that connect using a tongue-in groove system and are secured with anchors in pre-drilled holes. With this technology, a team of 2 or 3 non-professional builders can construct a small house in just a few days. No additional insulation or interior finishing is required, and the house can be dismantled and relocated if necessary. This approach is cost-effective, offering a potential solution for more affordable housing options, even if not luxurious. The approximate cost for such a house is $2,940. The creators of RICB are also focusing on compact, quickly assembled houses. Their system uses wooden blocks, and in a demonstration video, a team of 4 people construct a house from these blocks in just 10 days. No glue, nails, screws, or heavy machinery are required, making it possible to build a new house even on the roof of a high-rise building. The structure can also be dismantled and reassembled elsewhere. When disassembled, the blocks take up 4 times less space and are lighter, making them easier to transport by hand. Even if a new house is not needed, the RICB system can be used for renovating apartments or offices by incorporating partitions. Modvian holds the record for the world's tallest wind turbine made primarily of wood. While fasteners were used in its construction, the structure is mainly composed of laminated timber. Engineers achieved a height of 105 meters by assembling 7 sections, including the blades, with the total height reaching 150 meters. Located in Sweden, this turbine is not just a model or artwork, but a fully functional part of the local energy system. With a 2 megawatt capacity, it can power around 400 homes. Additionally, The manufacturers note that as the wooden turbine increases in height, it becomes more cost-effective compared to steel turbines. Transporting the sections on public roads is also much easier, making this innovation a practical and sustainable solution. Compared to many countries with a long history in woodworking, the French workshop ARA is relatively young, having been founded in 2009. Despite its short history, the ARA has already gained attention from global media and earned respect from those who value innovative approaches to wood design. One of ARA's most impressive creations is Woo Wood, a flexible veneered membrane that can transform into 3D shapes and revert to its original form. For example, by placing Woo Wood blocks on a wall, designers can create pockets for books, smartphones, and other items, turning unused space into something practical. Woo Wood is so versatile that it is also ideal for making handbags and accessories, like jewelry boxes, which hold more than they appear to at first glance. The founder of Feeling Wood has extensive experience with wood-plastic composites and, over time, identified several issues within the industry. To address these challenges, he developed products such as 3D textured boards and innovative clamps designed to simplify and speed up installation. These clamps are incredibly easy to use. Just insert, twist, and push, and the board is securely in place. This method saves around 60% of the time compared to traditional installation techniques, making it particularly valuable when concealed installation is a priority for customers. While the clamps are specifically designed for use with Feeling Wood products, they provide excellent aesthetics for finished projects and are user-friendly, even for DIY enthusiasts. Frères manufactures and sells innovative panels where the veneer is pressed and glued in various combinations. The company strongly believes that these panels perform on par with solid beams. The safety margin is so robust that in Portland, a building constructed with these panels reaches an impressive 12 stories. This construction method is not only faster, but also more cost-effective, leading to more affordable apartments. The veneer used in these panels is made from Douglas fir, a wood species known for its durability. Interestingly, Douglas fir is also used in unexpected applications, such as the construction of street sweepers. The finished panels come in several ranges, and their versatility even allows for the creation of columns. By 2027, the global market for CLT panels is projected to reach $2.3 billion, with an expected annual growth rate of around 12.5%. But what exactly is CLT? Experienced carpenters and those familiar with construction know that CLT stands for cross-laminated timber, a type of engineered wood panel typically made from softwood. Its applications are diverse and widespread. For example, in Norway, an 18-story building was constructed using CLT panels, and this video showcases a CLT school covering over 7,500 square meters. The growing popularity of CLT in large-scale projects can be attributed to several factors. First, CLT is environmentally friendly. It is also highly convenient for construction since it doesn't shrink, allowing for the immediate installation of windows and doors. Additionally, studies in Japan have shown that buildings made from CLT panels can withstand earthquakes up to a magnitude of 7.5.